Hi everyone, Tommy here with Safe Life. Here's the hard truth. Life-threatening bleeding can become fatal in just minutes, far faster than most emergency services can arrive. When the unexpected strikes, it's the people on the scene who make the difference. That's where AED.us Bleeding Control Kits come in. These kits are designed to give everyday people the tools they need to act fast, stop the bleed, and potentially save a life. Whether you're in a school, an office, a construction site, or just out in the community, being prepared matters. We offer a full lineup of bleeding control kits to fit different needs and budgets, all packed with the battle-tested, field-trusted tools used by military and EMS responders. Let's walk through each kit and what makes them valuable. The intermediate SWAT T kit is compact, affordable, and loaded with everything you need for a rapid trauma response. Inside, you'll find the SWAT T Tourniquet that's stretch, wrap, and tuck. It's flexible, intuitive, and great for both lay responders and professionals. Pair that with the high-fin vent chest seal, trauma dressing, wound packing gauze, shears, gloves, and even a survival blanket, and you've got a lightweight, grab-and-go kit that's ready to respond to everything from car accidents to workplace injuries. It all comes packed in a red nylon bag with a zipper that opens quickly when seconds count. Next up, the Intermediate2 kit with C A T Tourniquet. This is a setup designed for those who want military-grade performance in a civilian-sized package. This version replaces the SWAT with the C A T Tourniquet, the same one trusted by the U.S. Armed Forces. It's fast, strong, and proven in high-stakes environments. The rest of the kit mirrors the Intermediate: a chest seal, emergency trauma dressing, wound packing supplies, gloves, marker, shears, and more, all packed in the same rugged red bag. If you want something that's simple enough for anyone to use, but tough enough for real-world emergencies, this one hits the sweet spot. And then there's the premium kit, our most advanced option. It's everything in the Intermediate2, but we take it one step further with the additional of QuikClot bleeding control dressing, a hemostatic gauze designed to accelerate clotting and control severe bleeding even faster. If you're outfitting a high-risk environment like a construction site, school campus, or public venue, this is a kit you want within your reach. It's ideal for organizations that want zero compromise when it comes to trauma response. Why these kits matter. All of our kits include an instruction card for quick reference. Plus, everything is packed in the same compact red nylon bag with a rapid deploy zipper. You don't have to dig through the huge trauma box. You unzip, grab what you need, and go. And most importantly, these are not just for professionals. They're made for bystanders, teachers, coaches, volunteers, safety teams, parents, anyone willing to step in and make the difference. Bleeding control is just like AED readiness. It's one of those things you don't think about until you really wish you had. So don't wait. Thanks for watching. If you've got questions or need help choosing the right kit for your team, workplace, or community, our team is always here to help. Stay safe, stay ready.